concerned about your socks.
I'm the evil sock, see?
You call that an axe? This is an axe.
Do not swallow. Oh! Now they tell me. Been swallowing this for years. What the hell?
Okay, and where have you been seeing him?
In the kitchen, the living room, one time in the laundry hamper.
I'm gonna get you, Sock. Any last words, Sock? I'm a sock. I know you're a sock. God damn, I hate you so much.